they would be happy that yes, we continued. And most of the places we continued for 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, though it was started off as a 1-year contract. But we continued to do that. So this is kind of the innovation we brought in.
Did you have to increase your employees considerably at this point of time?
Yes, because our sites those days were extended from, I think almost from Gandhidham in Gujarat to Cochin in Kerala. This side I think we had, we didn't go beyond Vizag. So Vizag to central India, Madhya Pradesh. So we covered almost, I think, in fact, we were the largest so-called track maintenance contractors, maintaining almost about 1,500 kilometers of railway track for various entities, ports, electricity boards, some of the cement plants and things like that. So that, yes, that brought in, one is the sites, each of them had good managers or good engineers, plus the labor itself was large. So that was something which was scary, frankly, because managing that kind of labor, yes, that was a bit scary. But then, yes, we somehow those days, we never had any labor unrest. Maybe the practices which we adopted, we were fair pay masters, normally paying more than the minimum wages required in that area, taking care of them. Wherever possible, we provided, because we insisted on the clients to provide housing, because they had also their own labor for which. So we insisted that on the same place, our staff also should be provided, even if it's on payment basis. So these kind of things. So yes, managing was difficult, but then yes, we were able to. As a rule, the site engineers or managers had to come to the head office on the 5th of every month, because 7th was technically the government disbursal date for salaries. Okay. You had to disburse salaries to the labor before 7th. So 5th was a rule, whether it was Saturday, Sunday, didn't matter. We would be in office, yes, with their reports. And 6th, they would go back because those days, again, bank transfers were not online. So they would go back with cash and pay the salaries on 7th. So that also gave us an idea to interact with people, to understand what is happening at site and things like that. And I think technically in the managerial level and everything, we might have had a staff of just about 25, 30. But then that helped each other know what was happening on each site, what was the problems they were facing and things. So in fact, that is another kind of innovation we brought in from learning from other industries.